Hi students, how are you? All are fine? Okay. Have you studied the last class portions? Have you studied the lesson 11? Okay. Okay, studied. Very good. Okay, today new lesson, lesson 12. Okay. Okay. Can you see the air? Can you see the air? No, we cannot see the air. Okay. So how you know that is air? So we can feel, isn't it, ma? We can feel air. Okay. When it moves, sometimes that tree. So the tree leaves are moving. So you feel, isn't it? So that is air. Okay. So we can feel air when it moves. Okay. So we cannot see air. We can feel. Only we can feel. Okay. So today the new lesson, air, water and weather. Air, water and weather. So you know the water, isn't it? So what are the various purpose of water? What are the various purpose of water? For drinking, cooking, watering plants, etc. Isn't it, ma? So you know it is all up, isn't it? Okay. So all of you listen. All of you listen. Air is all around, isn't it? Air is all around. But we cannot see it. But we cannot see it. Air is all around, but we cannot see it. Okay. We can feel air when it moves. Is it correct? We can feel air when it moves. That is air, isn't it? Okay. What does air contain? First one, what does air contain? Okay, what does air contain? Okay. If you take a class, okay, class, okay, take a class of very cold water. Take a class, cold water, okay. Take a glass of very cold water and place it on a table. Place it on a table, okay. You take a glass of water. The water have cold water, okay. Cold water and place it on a table, okay. You will soon notice water drops sticking on the outer side of the glass. This is a glass. Okay, this is a glass, isn't it? So the glass filled the cold water. Okay, so cold water and place it on a table. Okay, you will soon notice this glass. Okay, you have noticed this glass. So water drops are sticking on the outer side. So here have you seen water drops? Water drops are sticking on the outside of the glass. Isn't it? Is correct? Is correct? No. So this is the water drops. Okay. So you will soon notice this glass. The water drops are sticking on the outer side of the glass. Sticking on the outer side of the glass. Okay. Where do these water drops come from? Where do these water drops come from? This water did not leak through the glass. Okay. This water did not leak through the glass. Okay. It came from the air. It came from the air. This is the water droplets. Okay. Water drops. Okay. Water drops. Okay. But here this is the cold water. Isn't it now? This is the cold water. But this cold water is not leakage. Okay. Didn't leak through the glass. But how these water drops? Where do these water drops come from? So, It came from the air. It came from these water drops came from the air. Okay, so air contains water in the form of water vapor. So air contains water in the form of water vapor. Understand? All of you understand? All of you understand? Air also contain important gases, isn't it? Air also contain important gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide, etc. Okay. So this is all of you understand. All of you understand. If you take a, once again all of you listen. If you take a glass of very cold water, okay. If you take a glass of very cold water and place it on a table, okay. Place it on a table, okay. You will soon notice water, okay. Notice water drops. Here this outside water drops, isn't it? You notice this glass, the water drop sticking on the outside of the glass, sticking on the water drop sticking on the outside of the glass, okay. So now you are asking the question, where do these water drops come from? You ask, okay. You asking the question, you can get the answer, okay. You asking the question, you can get the answer. So where do these water drops come from? Okay. This water didn't leak through the glass. This water didn't leak through the glass, okay. But it came from the air. It came from the air, okay. So air contains water in the form of water vapor. So air contains water in the form of water vapor. Understand? All of you understand? All of you understand? So air also contains important gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide, okay. Air also contains important gases. What are the gases? Air also contains what are the gases? Oxygen. This is the important, more gases. Air having more gases, but this is the important gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, okay. Carbon dioxide. Air contains the important gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay. Okay. Listen, understand? All of you understand? Okay. Yeah, we breathe in oxygen, isn't it? You are breathing oxygen or carbon dioxide? You are breathing oxygen, isn't it? So inhaling of oxygen and outhaling of carbon dioxide. Is it correct? Inhaling of oxygen and outtake of carbon dioxide. So we breathe in oxygen, isn't it, ma'am? So air may also contain dust particles, isn't it? Air may also contain dust particles and germs. Germs also contain. Okay, air may also contain dust particle, small dust particles and germs. Okay, germs also contain. So these can stick to our body. Okay, easily. These germs or dust parts are stick our body easily. Okay, so that is why we should always have bath daily. So only your daily bath your body. Okay, so we should also wash our hands before eating to clean off the germs. Okay, already you are studied more classes. You should also wash our hands before and after eating, isn't it? Because air may also contain dust particles and germs. Okay, understand? All of you understand? What does air contain? What does air contain? All of you understand? Once again, all of you listen here. If you take a glass of very cold water and place it on a table, okay, you will soon notice water drops sticking on the outer side of the glass. Water drops are sticking on the outer side of the glass. Okay. So now you are asking the question, why do these water drops come from? So this water did not leak through the glass. Okay. But this water came from the air. Okay, ma. This water came from the air. So now you understand, air contains water in the form of water vapor. Water in the form of water vapor. Okay. So air also contains important gases. Okay. So air contains water in the form of water vapor. Air also contains important gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay. So we are breathing oxygen, isn't it? We breathe in oxygen. It may also contain dust particles. This air contains dust particles and germs, isn't it? So these dust particles and germs are easily stick our body. Okay, so we should also wash our body daily, and we should also wash our hands before eating and after eating to clean off the germ. Understand? All of you understand? So the next one is water. The second one is water. Second one is water. So already I asked, what are the various purposes of water? What are the various purposes of water? Drinking, cooking, bathing, watering plants, etc. etc. So every day we need more water, isn't it? In your house need more water. You also need more water, isn't it? So water is very important. Water is very important for life on the earth. Okay, water is very important for life on the earth. Okay, so all living things need water. Is it correct? Correct or wrong? Correct, isn't it? So all living things need water. So human beings need water, animals need water, plants need water. So the without water cannot live, isn't it? Cannot live, isn't it? So we can need all living things need water. Okay, so all living things need water. We use water for various purposes such as drinking, cooking and watering plants. Okay, so you know the uses of water, isn't it? But you know the uses of water. What are the uses of water? Cooking, bathing, drinking, watering plants, washing, etc. 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 Isn't it? So water is a very important for life on the earth. Okay, water is a very important for life on the earth. So all living things need water. So non-living things need water? No, isn't it? No need water, non-living things. So living things only, all living things only need water. Okay. We use water for various purposes such as drinking, bathing, washing, watering plants, etc. Okay, mom. Understand? The next one is water cycle. The next one is water cycle. So all of you listen. Very important one. Water cycle. Okay. Water cycle. Okay. We know that ice, water and water vapor are the three forms of water, isn't it? How many forms of water? Ice, water and water vapor are three forms of water, isn't it? So, what happens to the water when it goes dry in the sun? What happens? Now I ask the question, you say the answer. What happens to water when wet cloths dry in the sun? What happens? Yes, the water present in the wet, isn't it? So, water present in the wet. So, cloths change into water vapor due to the heat from the sun. Okay, so your dress wet cloth. This is the wet cloth. How this is dry? So the wet cloth, the wet cloth changes into water vapor due to heat from the sun. Okay, due to heat from the sun. Okay, so the change of water to water vapor is called evaporation. So what is evaporation? What is evaporation? Very important. What is evaporation? What is evaporation? The change of water. Okay, the change of water to water vapor. Okay, the water to water vapor is called evaporation. So what is evaporation? What is evaporation? The change of water to water vapor is called evaporation. All of you say, what is evaporation? What is evaporation? The change of water to water vapor is called evaporation. All of you understand? Okay, now all of you listen here. So this is the river or pond. Okay, this is the river or pond. So this is this water. Okay, this river or pond. Okay, so here having water, isn't it, mom? Isn't it? So rain water fills the water bodies. This is the water bodies, isn't it? Rain water or pond water. Okay, the water fill the water bodies. Water fill the water bodies. Okay, so this water, what here having, isn't it? This water body. This is the water body. Pond water or river water or sea water. Any one of the water bodies. Okay, so this water is. This is the water vapor. Okay, this water is heat from the sun. Okay, the water is heat from the sun. This is the water vapor. Okay, water vapor. Water droplets. Okay, water drops. Okay, what is this? Water vapor. So this water change into water vapor. This is the water vapor. Okay, the water change into water vapor is called evaporation. All of you understand? All of you understand? This water change into water vapor is called evaporation. Okay, so now here, here sun. Okay, so this water is heat from the sun. The water is heat from the sun. So water is heated. Okay, now water gets heated by the sun and goes up is water vapor. Okay, now this water gets heated. Okay, the water gets heated by the sun and goes up to water vapor. Goes up to water vapor. Okay, then this water drops. Okay, this water vapor this is water vapor. Okay, this water vapor forms clouds into the sky. Okay, clouds into the sky. Okay, clouds. Okay, so this water vapor clouds into the sky. Okay, this water vapor, this is the water vapor. See, this water vapors, that's water vapor forms clouds into the sky. Okay, clouds into the sky. Okay. Okay, then now this water vapor clouds into the sky. Okay, then all of you listen. Then these clouds cannot hold big drops. These clouds cannot hold big drops. Okay, cannot hold big drops. Okay, of water. These water drops came down as rain. Then these water drops came down. Then water drops came down. Okay, came down as rain. Okay, came down as rain. All of you understand? All of you understand? All of you understand? First, this is the water bodies, isn't it, ma? This is the water body. So, this is sea water or pond water or river water, any one of the water bodies. Okay. This water is changed into water vapor. How? This water is changed into water vapor. How? This water gets heated from the sun. Okay, this water gets heated by the sun and goes up water vapor and goes up as water vapor. This water vapor forms clouds into the sky. This water vapor forms clouds into the sky. Okay. Here, these clouds cannot hold big drops. Okay. Cannot hold big drops of water. So, these water drops came down as rain. These water drops came down as rain. So, this is the water cycle. Okay. This is the water cycle. Okay. All of you understand? What is evaporation? What is evaporation? Water. The change of water into water vapor is called evaporation. Okay. So, this is condensation. This is condensation. What is condensation? The change of water vapor. The change of water vapor to water droplets. Okay. The change of water vapor to water droplets is called condensation. Okay. All of you understand? What is evaporation? What is evaporation? The change of water to water vapor. The change of water to water vapor is evaporation. Evaporation. This water vapor, the change of water vapor to water droplets is condensation. All of you understand? All of you understand? Okay. Okay. Once again, all of you listen. All of you listen once again. So, this is the water bodies. The sun the sun heats up the water from rivers, pond, lakes, sea and plants. This water evaporates into the air as water vapor. Okay. So, when it goes higher, the water vapor cools down to form small water drops. The change of water vapor to water droplet is called condensation. Okay. So, these tiny water droplets mix with dust and other things to form clouds. Okay. So, inside the clouds, the tiny water droplets join to form big drops. Okay. When water drops in the clouds become too heavy to remain in the air, they fall down as rain. Okay. In places that are very cold, the water drops freeze into ice and come down as snow. Okay, ma. So, this rainwater or the snow fills the seas, rivers, ponds and lakes and the cycle continues. So, this cycle involving the change of water into water vapor and then to water again is called water cycle. So, what is water cycle? The cycle involving the change of water into water vapor and then into water again is called water cycle. Okay. Thank you.